Gary, welcome again to SJ Live 2013. Could you just give us a summary of what you found a couple of days to be like?
Well, it's been an interesting opportunity for Dictate now to be here. We've had the opportunity to meet new law firms, from small firms to mid-sized firms, covering a range of different areas of law. So for us, it's been a good marketing exercise.
Okay, Becky, thanks for attending SJ Live 2013 with Reflect Digital. Can you just give us your thoughts on how the 2 days went for you guys?
Yeah, it's been really fantastic. We've had a really good couple of days. We've met lots of really interesting law firms, a real variety from smaller firms all the way up to larger firms. And yeah, we've just had some really good conversations. I think the talk we did really helped. We've had some fantastic feedback from that and really opened some people's eyes to what the internet can do for their firm, and hopefully given them some good ideas to take away and put into action.
Hi Brett, thanks for attending SJ Live 2013 with ARAG, understand. Can you let us know how the 2 days have been?
Yeah, it's been very positive. We've made some very good contacts, seen some very good speakers, and very positive.
Jill, thanks again for attending SJ Live 2013 with Raleigh Solicitors. Could you let us know what you thought of the couple of days here?
Certainly, it's been a really useful event for us. We're very proud to have been taking part in the first ever SJ Live. Our employment team and our corporate team have really benefited from the seminars that they've done. So yeah, all over a good experience.